Hello 10th class student, once again welcome to online teaching by UPC. Student, today we will solve some problem related to your NCERT book of exercise 3.1. Here the first question. See here, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Some students are commenting in my video, sir, sometimes use Hindi also. So today I will try my best. So look at here. For such types of question, some words comes here: from now, after, later on, hence. अगर स्टूडेंट इस तरह का वर्ड एज से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन में आता है और यदि आप प्रेजेंट एज मानते हैं तो वहाँ पर प्लस होगा, और यदि अगो बिफोर आता है तो प्रेजेंट एज में माइनस करेंगे. लेट अस सी अहेड हाउ कैन यू डू. लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ आफ्ताब इज इक्वल टू एक्स ईयर एंड प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ डॉटर इज इक्वल टू वाई ईयर. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, 7 years ago, 7 वर्ष पूर्व. Here the present age is x and y respectively. तो 7 years ago, what will be the age of Aftab? X minus 7. And what will be age of his daughter? Y minus 7. Because present age of daughter is y. Suppose अभी प्रेजेंट एज किसी का 20 years है तो 7 years अगो क्या होगा उसका? 20 minus 7 equal to 13 years. तो सिमिलरली in these two statement, here the present age is x and y respectively. Therefore 7 years ago the age of Aftab will be x minus 7 years and age of his daughter will be y minus 7 years. Now according to question, 7 years ago Aftab age is equal to 7 times age of his daughter. So now put the value of here in place of Aftab age 7 years. Aftab age is here x minus 7 and 7 years ago here the age of daughter is y minus 7. So this will be x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. This imply x minus 7 is equal to 7 by minus 49. Now arranging this implies equal to x minus 7 plus 49 minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, here the equation x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. This is the first equation. According to second statement, look at here second statement. Also 3 years from now, अब से 3 वर्ष बाद. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you. So look at here, what will be the second equation? 3 years from now, here the present age of Aftab and daughters are respectively x and y years. So 3 years from now, Aftab age is equal to x plus 3 and his daughter age will be here y plus 3. According to question, Aftab age equal to 3 times age of his daughter. So now put here in place of Aftab age after 3 years x plus 3 and daughter age here y plus 3. So this will be x plus 3 is equal to 3y, 3 3 is 9. After simplification, here the equation x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Look at here, x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the second equation. We have showed here both equations algebraically. Now we will show for graphically. Take equation number 1, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to, after transposing these two numbers this side, it will be 7y minus 42. When you put here in place of y 5, then the value of x will be minus 7. Look at here, 7 5 is 35 minus 42 equal to minus 7. When you put here in place of y 6, 7 6 is 42, it will be 0. When you put here y equal to 7, then what will be the result of x? 7. From equation second, here I have taken equation second, x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 6 plus 3y. Now you have to find out x and y value. Again put here in place of y 0, 3 into 0, it will be 0. Then the value of x will be here 6. When you put here y equal to minus 1, then it will be minus 3, 6 minus 3 will be 3. When you put here y minus 2, then it will be minus 6, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Now look at here, how can you represent it graphically? So from first coordinate, here first minus 7 comma 5, here minus 7 comma 5. So from graph, look at here the minus 7 and here the 5. So this point will be minus 7 comma 5. Again 0 6, this will be here on y axis, because here abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 6. So this point will be here, and again here 7 and 7, x7 as well as y7. Now look at here, how can you plot this point? Here x coordinate 7 and y coordinate also 7. So this is the line of first equation. Student, when you draw a line, write down equation on it, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0, and you have to write a scale also. Look at here, 10 a small division equal to 1 unit on both axes x and y. Similarly, from second equation we can draw another line. Look at here, first here the coordinate value 6 comma 0. Look at here, 6 comma 0. Second 3 and minus 1, then 3 and minus 1 will be here. Look at here, 3, this is 3 and this is minus 1, this point, and next 0 minus 2, here 0 minus 2. Draw a line and write down equation on it. X minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So this is the method for showing geometrically or graphically. Next question is here. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind of rupees 1300. Represent this situation graphically, algebraically, here algebraically and graphically. How can you do this? Let the price of one bat is equal to rupees X and the price of one ball is equal to rupees Y. According to question, equation will be 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900, because she has bought 3 bats, according to question, 3 bats and 6 balls, and you have, suppose here the price of one bat is rupees X, therefore the price of 3 bat will be 3x rupees and price of 6 ball will be 6y. So here 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. After simplification it will be x plus 2y equal to 1300. Again in the second step, here later she buys another bat and 3 more balls. So look at here, second equation will be x plus 3y equal to 1300. Here find out some coordinate value from equation 1 and 2. Look at here, I have find out here some value. You have to draw graph from these two values. Draw graph yourself from above values, and at last here I am going to give some problem related to your same question. Similarly, do question number 3 and homework exercise 3.2 and question number 1 of first and second. Thank you. Have a nice day.